Hello friends, welcome again to the world of maths by Amiya. This time our aim is to target CAT 2018 and we try to give our best. Definitely. आप अपना best दो, I'll give my best. The question of the first target 2018 CAT is this one. Find the remainder when this expression is divided by 2 raised to the power 15 plus 1. Question is quite easy. First we note the concept, then we try to solve this question, then we do one practice question, then one is the homework. Okay, we know if you have a fx, say x cube plus 5x plus 1, if divided by qx, say x plus 1, what would be the remainder? When you have a function divided by another function and you want the remainder, what we do? We do divisor function as equal to 0, get the value of x as minus 1. We put x minus 1 in the first function, that is minus 1 whole cube plus first of minus 1. Plus 1, that is nothing but minus 1, minus 5 plus 1 is nothing but minus 5 is the remainder. So whenever you have such expression in the remainder functions or the remainder theorem or the number system, just do divisor equation or the expression equal to 0, get the exponential value. What is this? We have 16 raised to power 51. Can you say this one is nothing but 2 raised to power 51 raised to power 4? This one is 8 raised to power 51, that is nothing but 2 raised to power 51 raised to power cube, because we know 8 is 2 cube, plus 4 raised to power 51 is nothing but 2 raised to power 51 whole square plus 2 to the power 15 plus 1. So this one is our dividend equation or the expression. We know we have 2 raised to power 15 is equal to minus 1. If we put minus 1 here, we'll get nothing but minus 1 raised to power 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Cancel out. So we have remainder as nothing but 1. So whenever we have such expression, put equal to 0 and get the answer. So this one is the concept and we solved our question number 99. So let's practice one more question. If we have say 16 raised to power 51, same 4 raised to power 51 plus 1, if divided by 2 raised to power 51 plus 3, what would be remainder? So this is just like a same. I would say pause the video and solve the question. In this, we'll do this one is 0. 2 raised to power 51 is nothing but minus 3. So we say minus 3 raised to power 4 plus minus 3 whole square plus 1. That is nothing but 81 plus 9 plus 1 is 91 would be the remainder when this is divided by this number. Just like a simple algebra. I hope the concept is clear and intact. So whenever you have this question in your any examination, you can solve this question within seconds or minute. I don't think you have any doubt. If you have still any doubt, rewind the video, watch the concept and clear your doubts. But still if you have any doubts, I would say feel free to ping me on Facebook. We are running the Target CAT 2018 event on the Facebook CAT Prep Amiya group. Okay, so it's time for homework. Now this one is your homework. You have your concept. Now solve this question. Okay, with all best wishes, myself Amiya, God bless you, happy learning and bye-bye.
Hi guys, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out any update.